Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do some slime with dishwasher and salt. We're gonna see after what we have to put more. Okay, let's start it. I'm gonna put the dishwasher first of all. And now slowly I will put the salt. I go here some salt, how you can see. On this slime it's very important how much salt you put, how much you mix it, how fast you mix it, how you can see the color is changing slowly. I'm gonna mix You can see the color change a little bit and the dishwasher is get thicker a little bit. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like to my video now. We add a little bit more salt and we mix it again very good. How you can see the color change already a bit, but we still have to mix it, it's not strong enough. Like this is looking after the 24 hours on the freezer. I think we'll need a little bit more because still very sticky. I'm gonna put it again on the freezer for another 24 hours and we're gonna see after how it's gonna be. See you later, guys. After 24 hours I check again our slime on the freezer and it's looking good. Still sticky a little bit, how you can see, but it's fine. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like to my video now.